From its humble beginnings as a trading post to its rise as a global energy hub, Houston has always embraced change. Today, it's a vibrant metropolis pulsating with diverse cultures and a can-do attitude. Don't forget to subscribe. Whether you're seeking a cosmopolitan adventure, a taste of authentic culture, or a connection to the cosmos, Houston has something for everyone. Come experience the heart and soul of Texas, where big dreams meet big opportunities. And for those with a thirst for knowledge, Houston boasts the prestigious NASA Johnson Space Center, where dreams of reaching for the stars take flight. Catch the roar of the crowd as the Astros swing for the fences, the Texans battle for the end zone, or the Rockets hit three-pointers. Immerse yourself in the electrifying atmosphere of professional sports. Don't forget the food, from Tex-Mex to global flavors and fine dining. Houston's culinary scene is a delicious adventure waiting to be savored.